Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at TheTechTrader.com. It's Monday, the 23rd of October. These are the charts of the day. Well, the market started off with a hit and then a rip, a V bottom, and strong rally, mini 5 waves. Let's look at the S&P. So we gapped down, dropped down at 41.89, and then ran to 42.58, about almost a 70-point run. It got right to the high on Friday. Pulled down in a 1, 2, 3, 4 big fifth wave down and done a bit of 50% third retracement. So the setup is there for a big rally tomorrow, or a breakdown from here and a retest of lows or lower lows. So this is kind of a critical area for the markets. Let's go to individual charts. AUMN exploded in the last week. Take a look at this. It's gone from 66 cents in 7 sessions to 244, 300% in 7 days. Today's addition of another 34 cents or 18%. We got it up into the area where there is a bit of resistance right there. So you may get a little pullback consolidation, certainly do, but momentum could take this to 330. Something to watch closely. And make sure you have stops. Bito, with Bitcoin and crypto stocks doing well today, Bito gapped up for the third day in a row and popped from an opening at 1560 to get up to 1619. Finished 3 cents off the high up 107, a 7% gain. This is the highest close since July, and now the target is 17.25 and 18.75. Another one in that group, ETHE, broke out of a 4-month coil. It's now up for 4 days in a row and could accelerate into the mid-13s or even 15. Gbtc, another. You can see this large rising channel. After coiling for 4 or 5 months, it popped, wedged, and broke out. It's up 7 days in a row, folks. Haven't seen that in a while. If it does extend, mid-channel target about 26, and then we're talking 32. Mktw, popped through declining tops on Thursday, backed off inside day Friday. Today exploded, 165 to 219, ended up 206 up 35 cents, 20%. With this breakout, it looks like it could advance to 2.5 to 285. SPR, aerospace stock with a breakaway gap, and now rising flag. Looks to me like there might be some resistance at 23, 30, 35. There's a low there and a high there, so you might see that resistance. But if it gets through, you might run this into the high 20s. TPST, 5-day pullback in a very tight narrow channel. Looks like a bull flag, low volume, good technicals. At some point, this may explode again. Keep a close tab on it. UEC and the uranium group, strong close today, up 31 cents, about 6%. Might have picked up a little, almost 12 million shares. We get through here, it's a $7 stock. Now look at some shorts. Some of our tech trader swing shorts doing well, FOUR, dropping down underneath the falling wedge, getting down to as low as 48.25 before finishing 50.50. Only down a fraction, but still making lower lows and declining pattern. Ultimate target 43. INTT with a bull wedge there and a bull flag there has had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways down, and it isn't quite at the target, but it's getting to a cover point around 12.5. LW smacked, bear flag, smacked again, bear, rising bear, wedge, and then a crunch. But yet another one formed here. I don't know after this 5 waves whether it's done or not, so be careful. TMDX dropping a little small bit, but nevertheless at the lowest level we've seen since last October, a year. It's overextended to the downside. I've recovered my shorts shortly. Let's look at some longs and shorts of it at the TechTrader.com. Good night, everybody. Have a great evening.